In this video, I'll show you how to sync notebooks in Microsoft OneNote and what to do if your notes don't update right away. Most of the time, syncing is automatic. OneNote saves your notebooks to the cloud, usually OneDrive or SharePoint, and updates them in the background. As long as you're signed in and connected to the internet, any changes you make are uploaded automatically and appear on your other devices shortly after. If you go offline, OneNote saves your edits locally and syncs them the moment you reconnect. Sometimes you may want to force a sync. On Windows or Mac, using the desktop app, open OneNote and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. In your notebook list, right-click the notebook you want to update and choose Sync this notebook. On Mac, use Ctrl-click if needed. You'll see a brief syncing indicator while it refreshes. If you want to sync all open notebooks at once, go to File, then Info, choose View Sync Status and click Sync All. This is useful before closing your laptop, switching devices, or heading somewhere with a weak connection. If notes don't appear right away, check that you're online, signed into the same account everywhere, and give OneNote a moment to finish syncing, especially after large edits or attachments. Once that's done, your notebooks should be fully up to date across all devices.